Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my Hobonichi weeks that I use for work. So there is a last week spread featuring teal peonies from Winterfield Studios, and I really like how that looks with the anemones from According to Allie. So for this week, I'm actually doing something a little bit different. This is a kit from Alley Cat's shop that Daniela kindly sent over to me because she wasn't using them anymore. I don't normally use kits in my Hobonichi weeks, so this will be definitely very interesting for me to try. I do have a few of these. She sent through quite a few of these, so I think I might be decorating with kits for the next little while. But I feel like I should be incorporating some other florals, but we'll see. Anyway, the pen that I will be using, the fountain pen that I will be using this week will be in my Sailor Pro Gear, and this currently has Troublemaker Milky Ocean in it, so I'm very excited to try that. Let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is put down this date cover. I don't normally cover the date, if you guys can see through all of my spreads here. I normally, you know, actually that's the closest I've come to using a kit, but I don't normally cover the dates. One of the reasons why I don't do that is because after a while, if you are using stickers in the same spots of your Hobonichi, oops, that just squeaked. If you're using the stickers in the same places in your Hobonichi every week, that's where the bulk is going to go. So I try not to use stickers in the same spots every single week, but I think with kits it's kind of hard not to do that. So I don't know, but what I do want to do though is use this, and even with kits I try not to necessarily put the stickers where people expect it to be. I'm gonna try and see if I have any other florals from According to Allie that I could put in here. Ooh, hold on. There's these. I thought I had black and white sunflowers, but I could certainly use poppies, or I haven't even opened that package yet. No, there's no flowers in that one. Okay, let's try that. That might work. Okay. And then part of me is, I think I'm going to basically take this, but if I do that, then I cover the space on Friday. But I don't necessarily use the space on Friday because Friday I don't have meetings for one, so it's mainly to-do lists, so I could cover that up. How do I want to do this? I said I didn't want to put the stickers down in the places that they would be expected to go. So let's put that down. And then I'm going to rip this. Yeah. I'm going to rip that, place just that there. And then I'm actually going to rip this. I'm going to place the other half of this on here, and then actually what I think I should have done was put this one down first, but I will put this up here so that it's still not exactly in the place that you expect the sticker to go down, but I do want to make it look different than what you expect this sticker kit to look like if you put all the stickers down in the place that they should go. Because you know me, I try not to do the things the prescribed way. But I actually really like that. Okay. Oh, I possibly. No. Okay, so then I don't normally use checklists either. So what I'm going to do is draw the line down for to separate my meetings and my to-do lists. Because I normally, the thing with the Hobonichi Cousin is that there's kind of markers here and here so that you can evenly split the rows into 3 columns. And it helps me because then I could put all of my meetings on this side, all of my to-do lists on that side, and then going in with the checklists here, I'm going to place them, I'm going to have to turn it this way, I'm going to place them down the sides here, which is so not like me. Normally I just like to draw them in, but I think it'll look okay. Wow, that actually looks really, really cute. I feel like it's a little bit out of my comfort zone in terms of what I like to do with the kit, but I'm going to go ahead and write the dates. What is the date on the Monday? It's the 4th. It says so right underneath. So this is not a fountain pen. This is the pen that came with the, yes, the Uniball. It's a Uni that came with my Hobonichi Techo order from last year. Okay. See, the thing is, now that I put that there, I didn't need the line. But you know what? I like it. I will. There is a big to-do list script here. Put that down because I do want to make use of all the stickers that I've got here. And then I'm going to put the this week sticker. I feel like I'm going to end up covering that, and that's okay. All right. I actually do not mind that whatsoever. Now, the thing is, though, I'm not going to ever end up using all of these stickers. Like, this is pretty much the extent of what I will be using this kit for. So I'm still left with a bunch of stickers. We'll see if I use them in anything else. But I'm going to go ahead and write in my meetings, and then I will be right back. So there is the overall finished spread. I like how quickly it came together because when you've got a kit, it's really easy to know where to place the stickers. Some people really find that appealing. For me, I like having the almost creative challenge of trying to figure out the best placement for everything. So I do have, I think maybe another 3 or 4 of these kits, and I will definitely be using them because I definitely don't want them to go to waste. And I've just seen where I can probably put these down, just to add a little bit of extra decoration, because I mean, why not? And there. Okay. But yeah, I still have stickers left over. I'm not going to need all of them, and that's absolutely okay. I could probably use these as headers for notes or meetings that I take throughout the week. So I will keep this in my planner here for the week, and then I will be able to use them should I need them. But yeah, kits are definitely something that you could make use of in your planner if you find it easier to use. It's definitely, I almost say, when it comes to kits, for anybody who struggles with where to put stickers down and things like that, these are great resources because, I mean, the sticker shops who do create them put a lot of time into making sure that they fit in these types of planners, but they also make sure that all of the functional pieces that go with a kit like this are enough for you as a planner. So I really think that these are fantastic, and for me personally, I think they're good every once in a while, but they're not ones that I would probably use all the time. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.